Hello everyone, this is Sadiq here. In this particular session, we'll see how do we format a row based on a certain given condition. Mean to say is, I just have some data over here, that is the employees data. We have the employees working with the different jobs, software engineers, managers, technical heads, marketing heads, trainers. But I want to highlight all the trainers. I want to highlight all the trainers and I want to show what are the who are the trainers are there. And I want the trainers records to be shown in the different format. So how will we do this? So we'll learn in this particular session. The first thing what I will do is I just select the data on which I want to apply the formatting, exclude the headings, very important. And then what I will do is I just go to the conditional formatting. So that is from this particular menu, that is the home tab. So that is we get into the home tab. Under the home tab, we know that there is a conditional formatting. So when you just go to this conditional formatting, there is something called as a new rule. So when I go to this particular rule, so what is that I want to do? I want to format based on a certain given condition. When the job is matching to a trainer, then it has to be formatted. So for that, I will go for this particular option. It says use the formula to determine which cells to be formatted. I just use this one, and since I said use a formula, I'm supposed to write the formula. So what is my formula? So my formula is, I say always the formula has to start with the equal to sign in Excel. I say equal to refer to this particular cell job. Okay, that is C2, and that should be matching to what value? I just say it as trainer. So since it's a text value, I'll put in the double quotes, the trainer. Now what happens? It has to format the trainers in the column C2, in the column C2. Okay, but here what has happened is this reference is $C$2. So it has become as absolute reference. Fine. So what I want is I want the column to be absolute, but row has to keep changing. So what I will do, I'll remove this particular $sign, which is prefixed to the row. Okay, I just remove the $sign. So now it's the absolute column reference. That means it is going to look only in the C column, but for the every row, it is going to look whether it is matching to a trainer. Yeah, if it is matching if any of the job is matching to the trainer, I want to format that particular row. So what is that format that has to be done? So that we'll just do it in this particular place. So I just click on this particular format to do the formatting. So I say when it is a trainer, I want that to be changed to say green color. Fine, I'll just select this OK. So you can see the preview how it is going to look. So you can just have a preview of this and I say OK. As soon as I say OK, so you can see in this particular data, all the trainers has been highlighted in blue, all that is sorry green color. So all those particular rows which just showing with a green shade, so they are nothing but the trainers. Fine. So this is how we can format the rows based on a certain given condition in Excel.